First, I will point out that this process works on any phone, okay, any Android phone. I'm using a Samsung, but you can do the exact process on any Android. What you need to do is first swipe down and click the top right corner on the settings. Then you will come right here. You need to swipe down until you find apps below device care. So click on apps. You will open this page right here. And here you can see all apps that you have on your Android, okay? You need to find a game that you want to delete the data. Okay, so I will use this one just for example. You'll find a game, swipe down and click on storage. After doing that, you need to click right here, clear data, and you will clear the data of this game. Then you need to come again to this page and repeat the same process on all games that you have on your Android, okay? So again, come on storage, clear data. You can also clear cache if you want. Then come again to this page and repeat this same process.